guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am going to show you guys some of Printify's new products that we're going to talk about. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I talk all about print on demand and I upload my podcast episodes as well. Make sure you check out the different playlists on my channel as well. We are here on Printify and I'm not logged in, so I'm going to go up to catalog. And then there's a list of items here and I'm just going to click to new arrivals. Again, like I always say, some of these things may have been here a little bit longer than others, but everything is pretty much labeled new. We're just going to go over some of these products. They have tough cases, probably for the new iPhone 13. Also, they have this men's all over tank, passport covers, some women's maternity tees, unisex soft style tank tops, some impact resistant cases. They have some basketball shorts for men. They have basketball jerseys. This is so cool. I like this. Basketball jerseys. I would love to see how this will come out. You get what I'm saying? Like how to do the design. Maybe I might dibble and dabble with that. Okay. I really love that. Girls sleeveless sundress, oven mitts and pot holders. That could be something. Polyester car seat covers, more unisex socks. I'm tempted to check this out as well, just because it just only has that black part and not the full black. I'm interested to see what that looks like. They have more aprons, neck gaiters, snap phone cases, woman casual leggings, laundry bag, tie-dye crop, more phone cases with the card holders, some woman crop tops. They have the stonewash tank, outdoor pullers, standard mug, stainless steel water bottles. They have 3 different sizes there. We're going to go over to the second page. You have some cork coasters, kitchen towels, Sherpa blanket, more stainless steel water bottles. I'm sure this is just all the different sizes they have. Slim cases, ceramic mugs, greeting cards, tripod lamp. I've heard a lot of people talk about this lamp. They have biodegradable cases, soft picnic bags, heart-shaped balloons, holiday card, boho beach cloth towel, table runner, organic tote bag, more car stuff. These are the mats. They have the frosted glass mug, kids shirt, folded greeting cards. And we have one more page here with some of the newer products that they have. Photo card, a desk calendar, canvas gallery wraps, plush fleece blanket, square cork coasters, acrylic prints, satin posters, and a heart-shaped mug. There's a lot of different things that I'm definitely interested in testing out or trying. If I do, you guys will see how I create the products as far as design, how I order it, and then of course when the product comes. So I like to always explore some of the new products on some of these websites, just because I can't keep up with everything, but it's always good to see how print on demand is evolving and growing, and how just about anybody can create a business based on certain stuff. Like seeing the car care things makes me spin my wheels. It's all like print on demand. Just think about that one brand that you have and how you can take it and spread it out to all these different products. That is what's important. Build a strong print on demand brand and then be able to branch out and include more items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Printify new products, and until next time. Thanks so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.